I really don't know, and I'm not here to judge. I mean, I'm very happy if things are happening with him and Ulia, but I just wish them all the best, and you know, I think the whole country.
मैं आपसे दो सवाल करूँगा. We have you on stage after a very long time. The movie Veerappan. क्या सोचा sir? What did you think? What's the study that you have done for this?
Well, I basically did a lot of research based on meeting the people who worked, ex-gang members of Veerappan and the police officers were involved in hunting him down, things like that, yeah.
So the main character Veerappan. कर सकती है तो ये यहाँ पे भी होना चाहिए कि नहीं यहाँ पे? होना चाहिए, right? Zareen, you can't leave us like that. You've done a. First of all, I want to ask you, such a high energy song, such expressions. How did you do this?
सबसे पहले तो I would want to thank Sir Ram Gopal Verma and Sachin for giving me this opportunity to do this, you know. I myself never ever imagined myself doing something like this. I think it is their faith that they had in me, their vision that I wanted to live up to. The brief that I had got that I have to depict the spirit of Veerappan. And I hope that I am depicting it. I hope आप लोगों को गाना अच्छा लगा है क्योंकि ये already एक बहुत ही famous गाना है जो मेरा personally बहुत favorite था. And I am very, very glad that, you know, I could be a part of this song. And it is very sweet of Sachin and Sir to have launched this on my birthday because it's my birthday today.
Yes, we all know that. Thank you for spoiling the surprise in such an amazing way. But we had something done. But before we move on, do you want to see Zareen perform on Khalas or not? Yes or no? Ladies and gentlemen, yes or no? Yes? You can't leave like that. I'm gonna hold that for you. Can we have the track, please? Zareen is gonna move on that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां मारो. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए एक बार.
I wouldn't be dancing here alone. I would only dance if y'all help me dance and y'all groove along to the song. अगर आप लोगों को ये गाना पसंद आया है तो आप लोग भी मेरा साथ देंगे and साथ में groove करेंगे.
Can we have the track, please? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! A big round of applause. And and also the fabulous dancers. Yes. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for Zareen Khan and the dancers. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zareen. Happy birthday to you.
Sing along, everybody.
May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
To you. I can't sing.
Wow. मजा आ गया.
So, God bless you and what to you for the movie. To you for the movie. Everybody knows that the movie. Would you want to like to tell them when is it releasing and why should they should go see it?
Well, Veerappan is a very special film, and it's releasing on 27th May. Another 12 days to go, and I hope if you like to see real life characters and if you really enjoy something different to watch, and if you like to watch Ram Gopal Verma films, then you must watch this one. Thank you so much.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आपको सबसे पहले तो आज का सबसे पहला विश अगर आप कुछ बता सके तो आज का सबसे पहला विश आपको किसने किया या क्या था अगर कुछ बता सके आप तो
सबसे पहले थैंक यू फॉर योर विशेस एंड आई थिंक सबसे पहला विश मुझे मेरी मॉम ने किया है.
आप हमेशा बच के रहना चाहती हैं बिकॉज
आई थिंक लोगों को मुझसे बच के रहना चाहिए. मैं किसी से नहीं डरती.
सचिन आपकी फिल्म आज हमने देखा गाना भी लॉन्च हुआ है. हमने देखा है बहुत प्रमोशन करते हैं आप ट्रेनों में बसों में एयरपोर्ट दुबई हर जगह. तो इस बार ये कैसे करने वाले आप इसका प्रमोशन?
ये तो आपको देख के ही पता चलेगा, बट हर बार कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं मार्केटिंग में, प्रमोशन में. तो आप कुछ नया देखेंगे रिलीज के आसपास. अभी एक 10-15 दिन और बाकी है, तो होपफुली कुछ नया दिखने मिलेगा. थैंक यू.
Ram Gopal Verma, sir, here. I have a question for you. Here.
Yeah.
Sir, hi, this is Sandesh from Zoom. I wanted to ask you what made you select Zareen for this particular song?
See, I basically, the original Khala song was very popular and over the years. I wanted someone who can live up to that and probably go far beyond that. And I wanted someone really hot to perform. And I think Zareen is hotter than the sun.
Yeah, sir, here. Sir, this side.
Sir.
Yeah. This side.
Yes,
this side.
yeah.
Yeah, hello, hi. I'm Bhavya from Book My Show. So my question from you would be, आप किसको इंडस्ट्री से खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity?
Industry go, yeah, that word?
आप इंडस्ट्री में से किसको खल्लास करना चाहेंगे, given an opportunity? Next person?
I think there might be some police people also here. I won't be able to. I will tell you privately.
Okay, one question to Zareen, if that's what. Yeah, hello, hi Zareen.
Hi.
First of all, happy birthday. The question to you I have is, so recently, like it's all public now that Salman Khan and Ulia have finally made a public declaration of love through their public appearance. So what do you think of that? Like, would that happen soon? Is marriage on?
Well, honestly speaking, I have no idea about what's happening in other people's life because there's so much happening in my life to keep a track of that
but do
only
you think
it gets.
he'll make a good husband? What do you have to say?
See, I really don't know, and I'm not here to judge. I mean, I'm very happy if things are happening with him and Ulia, but I just wish them all the best. And I think the whole country has been waiting for him to get married, so I think it'll be something to look forward to.
Thank you so
राम
much.
गोपाल
Thank
वर्मा जी
Yes,
आपके
please
सामने-
stick to Khalas questions also with the Veerappan.
रामू जी और एक फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ जिसका नाम है रमन राघव. अगर आपने उस फिल्म का ट्रेलर देखा हो तो कुछ आपको कैसा लगा?
No,
कुछ
I
बता
didn't see the trailer yet.
Yeah, and specifically, let's stick to Veerappan and Khalas questions also. Somebody had a question here?
Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, it's for you. Has Isha Kopekar seen the song yet? Because she was a item girl for the song. Does Isha Kopekar has seen this song, Khalas?
No, she hasn't seen. I mean, it is not to my knowledge because we just launched it just now.
Okay.
Yeah.
We were here for the song launch of Khalas.
Ram Gopal
Just-
Verma, sir, I
Yeah,
have a
so
question. for you.
one question
For this,
specifically to this movie.
As we can see, there are a lot of, action scenes are very brutal in this movie. We have seen in the trailer. So, what challenges did you face from the censor board to, get it cleared, or was there any problem?
I mean, see, we haven't yet gone to the censor board, but the point is, the film is eventually an emotional film, and Veerappan is a brutal guy. So obviously, the images will be brutal. So to be true to the spirit of Veerappan, But if you watch the overall film in totality, I don't think the brutality will be in the forefront.
So one more question.
Zarin over here, you have replaced Kangana in Divine Lovers. So what do you have to say about that?
Where are you? Oh, okay, there. Well, I honestly have no idea about the whole replacement thing. I had no idea that Kangna was doing the film before me. I am just very happy that I am getting the opportunity to do this film, and yeah, that's about it.
Also, Isha Kopikar had shaken the leg for Khalas in last 14 years back. So now you are performing the same song. So any pressures because that time the song was very hit.
Well, it's been one of my favorite songs, and the way it was told to me, the vision, Ramu sir's vision of this song. Okay, she's not even listening anymore, so I don't think I need to reply.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again, Ram Gopal sir. Thank you so much, Sachin. Thank you so much, Zareen. Once again, happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you all.